Tara's happy learning. Tara's happy learning, la la. Hi, I am Tara. Come with me. Let's get fresh and clean for a happy day. Splash the water nice and cool, washing up for home and school. Gently rub your cheeks and chin. Clean and fresh, let's start with a grin. Splish, splash, splash. Rub, rub, rub. Warm, soft towel. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash your face, comb your hair. Sparkle bright across the air. Fresh and clean, hip hooray. Ready for a happy day. Pick the comb up top to down, neat and tidy all around. Pigtails neat and bow so bright. Looking pretty, looking right. Bingo wags his happy tail. Washing paws without a fail. Can you comb your hair like me? Comb, comb, comb. 1, 2, 3, yay! Wash your face, comb your hair. Sparkle bright across the air. Learning, laughing every day. That's the Tara way. Bye-bye bubbles, bye-bye calm. See you soon. Have a fresh and happy day.